That is, our topic is what is science. Here, now in present situation, we are facing a problem. What is that? The whole world is facing with a coronavirus. So now you are at home. There is no direct teaching. So I am teaching in one place, at school or at home, and you listen the class. How there are different ways. See, the recorded video I am posting to your WhatsApp group. So whatever I want to talk to you, I am communicating through a mobile, a smartphone. And recorded video I am sending to you. So how is it possible? And same way, we also conducting meetings, not directly. We have seen in TV. So one person is maybe in Madras, Chennai. Another person is in Hyderabad. And one person is in Nizamabad. And another person is Navi Pet. Here, but through a media, a technology, we can talk each other. We can conduct meeting. So that is called, with the help of a one app, Zoom app. So through that, with the help of that app, so I sit in my house in Nizamabad. Another person sits in his own house in Hyderabad. Another person in Chennai or Madras in his house. But this technology, with the help of this Zoom app, now the person who wants to tell something conducts meeting, and he tells, and we can listen from here. We can talk each other. And nowadays you heard, for example, we want to, in a field, for example, 10 acres land is there. And we have to use pesticide or insecticide. We want to spread. Now, it takes much time, and it is sometimes it may be danger. But with the technology, now what we can do? There is a drone developed by some scholars or thinkers, researchers. So with the help of drone, yes, the drone it moves up just like a helicopter, and it contains a box, and in that we add chemical, and we can operate with the remote to control change. Then it goes up, and within some minutes, and the chemical, the insecticide spreads. How it is possible? Now robotics, computers nowadays, we are using this computer in different methods, different ways, and robotics are there. So these are all different inventions, discoveries. How is it possible? Now you are very well aware of that. A borewell, for example, in some years back, there was no proper current. Then sometimes night it comes, or anytime we don't know. So one person developed with a sensor and remote. Then from our house, we can start the board, we can off the board. And TV also, with a remote, you can sit somewhere else and we can control that. So this is the result of science. This is the result of science and technology. Technology is the result of science, the inventions. So how these scientists, they invent? Generally what they do, they observe the nature, they study the nature, some questions comes to their mind, then they analyze that, they do some experiments, and after that experiment, what they invent? A new items. Say now corona is there, the problem is there, a scientist, they studied, the question comes to their mind. So how can we solve this problem? How can we help this? Help the students. How can we help the people? So that question comes to them. Then what they do? They go to lab and they study and they observe that virus, that coronavirus. So first question came to their mind. Next, they study that about that coronavirus. Where they study? In the lab. So how they study and what they do, let us discuss later.